Hi, I'm Jay Porter from Radial Engineering here at the NAMM show in Anaheim, California. And today we're showing a new product called the Space Heater. And what the Space Heater is an 8-channel analog summing mixer. And it incorporates tubes into the summing mixer. So we have 4 12AX7s, one for each stereo pair, going into this mixer. So we figured out how to run stereo through a 12AX7 tube. Comes in, it can actually sum down to a stereo mix, or you can just use it in and out. So if you want to warm things up, you're in your digital workstation, you want to get a bit of tube warmth or even some tube distortion going on a bass guitar or perhaps a drum mix, you can run it in here and warm things up. The other area where we see a lot of interest is guys using in-ear monitors on the professional touring scene. Everybody complains that bass sounds terrible and acoustic guitar sounds terrible in in-ear monitors. If all of a sudden you can give it just a little bit of grit, a little bit of warmth from that tube, it starts to warm things up and make it a much more pleasant sound out of that in-ear monitor. So, as I said, we've got 8 channels here, 4 stereo pairs. We have TRS inputs on the back as well as D-sub inputs and D-sub outputs. And then just to top it off, each of the 8 channels has a send and return insert point on the back. So you can insert an EQ or a compressor, that kind of thing onto your mix. So once you get it out in the analog world, plug in your analog gear. So we expect the retail price to be around $2,000, and I would expect to start shipping this in probably April and May of this year. The Space Heater from Radial Engineering.